All right, so let's go ahead and do this database tutorial. All right, so you're just going to go ahead and head over to the database, which would be right over. Which tab did I leave it on? I believe it was this one. Here we go. Yeah, so just going to go ahead and head over to the JCK database portion. I am using or I'm doing a historical search, more specifically on the Civil War and Robert E. Lee. Yeah, I'd like to focus on a lot of his life, but I'd like to see if I can see anything on the Shenandoah Valley campaign, which was his most famous campaign. So it's going to go ahead and scroll down here to history. Go ahead and click on that. Scroll down. See, popped up before, but let's see if we can go ahead and let's just go ahead and let's go Civil War. And that's what we're going to use right there, American Civil War Letters and Diaries. And go ahead and click into here. So we're going to go ahead and you can scroll down, look around. I'm going to just go right into people. Then I'm going to go to L. I'll go to LE. I'm going to scroll down. Surprisingly, he's not on the first page. Very famous guy. So, I mean, okay, so here you go. You can look. We have Robert Edward Lee right here. Got 11 works by him, and then 65 about him. So, I mean, you have a couple different options. You can go into there. Most of his works by him are publications of his journal. So, if you want really good, if I wanted really good excerpts from his campaign, that'd probably be the place to look. But you can kind of scroll around, look in here a little bit. I'm gonna go Shenandoah Valley. Let's go that. See if it brings anything up. All right, it's not specifically. So I would go into personal experiences in the United States and Confederate Army. And then this would be a pretty good one to use because I could use accounts from the soldiers as well. So here we go. Yeah, I could use accounts from the soldiers or from Robert E. Lee if I wanted to go back. So that's kind of the whole breakdown. As a history major, I could definitely see myself using this. Yeah, it's definitely a good tool you could utilize. So honestly, I probably will use this. And that's going to be the end of my tutorial. That's how to use a little bit of the databases to find. So any of you history majors out there, pay attention. Thank you.